HP LaserJet Pro MFP M277dw printer is special for working with Windows and Macintosh operating system. Versions including OS XV10.11 El Capitan, OS XV10.10 Yosemite, OS XV10.9 Mavericks, OS XV10.8 Mountain Lion. Others are OS XV10.7 Lion, with at least 1 GB of free disk space, USB port, and Internet access. It also works perfectly with Microsoft Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows Server. The scan resolution is 300x300 ppi optical for ADF and 1200x1200 ppi visual for scanner glass. The scan speed of the printer varies, it is according to the document complexity. The printer does not support a memory card slot, but it supports HP, high-speed USB flash drive V100W 8GB, SanDisk Cruiser Microskin 4GB, Immersion Swivel 1GB, Kingston Data Traveler 104GB, 8GB, and 16GB, Lexar Jump Drive Traveler 1GB. It copies up to 99 copies from the original. It copies in black and white, and color. It copies about 19 copies per minute of letter size paper, one-sided and regular quality.
Siguro na wala eh pengumuman.